How to accept or reject incoming calls using Siri on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, you can easily accept incoming call with Siri or reject all incoming calls using Siri. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then on the settings page, you just need to scroll down the page and then click on Siri or Siri and search. This depends on your iPhone. On our settings, just need to click on Siri. Once you click on Siri, make sure your Siri is activated by turning on Talk to Siri. You can just select Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So preferably, I always prefer to use Siri or Hey Siri so that whichever one I say, Siri will respond. Then scroll down and click on Call Hang Up. Make sure you enable Call Hang Up. So this will allow you to reject calls, incoming calls, FaceTime on your iPhone using Siri. Then the next thing you want to do is go ahead, exit the Siri page. Now, once you exit the Siri page, when next you have an incoming call, all you just need to do is say, Hey Siri, pick up the call. You see that? So Siri is going to pick up the call. If you want to hang up the call, you can just say, Siri, hang up. There you go. So you can do this or use this on any call, whether you are on FaceTime, you are on regular call, or you are on WhatsApp call. So that is basically how to accept or reject incoming calls using Siri on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.